Want to invite your Steam friends to games in seconds? Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, open the Steam app and log in. Make sure you're online so your friends can see you. On desktop, look at the bottom right of Steam for your friends and chat panel, then click it to open your friends list. If you don't see it, click the Friends menu at the top and choose View Friends List instead. Now, find the friend you want to invite. You can scroll or use the search box to type their name. Once you see them, look for their online status. To invite them, you'll usually want them showing as online or in-game. To invite from your friends list, right-click your friend's name, then choose Invite to Game if it's available. If Invite to Game is grayed out, the game might not support invites, or your friend isn't in the right state to join yet. Another way, if you're already in a game that supports Steam invites, open the in-game Friends or Lobby menu. From there, click your friend's name and select Invite or Invite to Lobby directly inside the game. Your friend will get a pop-up invite on Steam. They just click Accept to jump straight into your game. That's it. Open Steam, find your friend, send the invite, and you're playing together in no time. Pause and replay if you need to follow along.